I paid $15,000 for a completely wrecked Ferrari. Yeah, the kind most people wouldn't even bother to look at twice. But I didn't buy it because it was shiny. I bought it because it wasn't. This was the only shot I had at owning my dream car. The paint was peeling, the engine barely coughed, and half the interior looked like something had been living in it for years. Everyone told me I was out of my mind. But honestly, I didn't care. Because I'm here to rebuild this thing from the ground up. It won't be easy.
कमाल कर दिया भाई, इस बंदे ने कमाल कर दिया। बहुत इंटेलिजेंट आदमी है ये सब।
And it definitely won't be cheap. But if I can pull this off, I'll finally have the car I've dreamed about since I was a kid. So stick around. This is the beginning of the wildest restoration journey I've ever taken.
बहुत ही प्यारी वीडियो। और ये देखें जी, एक देहाती wow, new method